Morning. It is about 8 o'clock. I guess with daylight savings, it would normally be 7 o'clock. I'm the first one out of camp. Everyone else is kind of slow. We got about 2 inches of freezing rain last night. It was pretty cold, but I was warm in my quilt in the shelter. So yeah, the trail is frozen, really icy, so kind of just sort of picking my way, but my hands are getting really cold holding this phone. So I'm just going to show you the trail real quick, and then I'm going to get on my way. Doing about 12 miles today, not very much, but just the way the shelters are spaced out, we have to stay in shelters here in the Smokies. We can't just like stealth camp anywhere, and so the way they're spaced out, we're doing a 12 today and then an 18 tomorrow, and then we'll be out of the Smokies. But I've really enjoyed the Smokies. They've been beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Trails have been incredible. But like I said, I got about 12 today, and the trail is really icy, so I'm kind of picking my way. And I'm cold, and so I'm gonna put my gloves back on. So I'm gonna show you the trail, and I'm gonna get going. And if I see some views, I'll show them to you, but it's kind of overcast and sort of light mist coming down. So we'll see. So I'm walking along this ridge line right here. It's just a kind of narrow ridge line, and off to the side, I know there would just be absolutely stunning views out there. I can only imagine what it would look like, but it's kind of cool just seeing all white too. Not quite the same, but it's still beautiful. And rain's picking up a little bit. It's kind of cold, so I'm gonna get moving. So this is the view this morning from Charlie's Bunyan. Famous little blue blaze trail with an incredible view. Luckily, I live close enough to the Smokies that I can come back and see this one on a clearer day. So I've come down a little bit in elevation, and the rain's picked up a little bit. I think we're getting a bit of melt, and I'm literally walking in a creek. This is the trail. It's a little cold too. Beautiful though. That's where I came from, up on this ridge. Walking along a ridge line all day, kind of up and down. It's really cool. Trail goes that way. Let's go.